Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application and then you just have to log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, you are going to see this send button on the home screen. So you need to tap on this send button and after that you need to select Solana. Once done, you will be landed on this page where you will be asked to provide the name or the address, or you can even scan the QR code before proceeding to the next step. So over here, you need to paste the address from the exchange in which you want to withdraw your Solana. So let's say you want to do it on Binance. So you just have to launch your Binance mobile application and then you need to tap on the deposit button in the top. After that, you need to tap on deposit crypto, and among these cryptos, you just have to search for Solana. Now over here you will have to select the Solana chain and then it will show you the Solana network's QR code as well as the deposit address. So over here you need to copy this address and then you need to come to your Phantom Wallet and on this page again, and after that you just have to paste this address over here. Then you need to press next in the bottom. Afterwards you need to enter the amount of Solana that you have and then you need to press next in the bottom. Then you just have to initiate your transfer and you just have to conclude it, and this way you will be able to cash out Solana from your Phantom Wallet and you will be able to see it in your Binance account. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.